All right, moving on, we got overloaded canister shells by Heavyweight Fireworks. I gotta say, I'm kind of surprised no one's ever used that name. I wonder if that will get any suspicion from certain agencies because of just the name. Although I will assure everyone that these shells do fall below the 60 gram limit guidelines. Although this shell kit is kind of heavy, so who knows. So So down here we got a little bit of a performance description. We got 12 shots. I'm sure that number is wrong because it has 24 different shells from what I saw. Effect duration is 6 seconds per shell. Loudness is 9 out of 10. Firing pattern is vertical. And the effect height is high. And I looked at the shells on the side here of the box, and they are labeled for effect, so that's definitely a big plus. And from all the shells that I've seen, it's 24 different effects, so it's not like basically where there are 2 shells with the same effect and there's only 12 different effects in this shell kit. So it does have 24 different effects. They're not listed on the box itself, but I guess when I start demoing some of these shells, I'll let you guys know what the effects are as we're lighting them off. So, yep. Okay, we got the palm effect shell for the overloaded shells by Heavyweight Fireworks. Decent. All right, second overloaded shell. Heavyweight Fireworks. Nice. All right, brocade shell, overloaded shell by Heavyweight Fireworks. They're decent. All right, we got 3 heavyweight shells lighting off at the same time. Or overloaded shells by Heavyweight. Nice.
Good for Sky Pew.
It's pretty good.